Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come back and show y'all part 2 of last week's video. As I explained in my last video, I was going to show y'all the remaining clients that I had for today. So as y'all can see, this is client number 2. I think he's just going to get 6 stitch braids. We're just trying to get his hair growing at the moment. So yeah, I just went ahead and washed him and I'm blowing him out, and I'm gonna do 6 little simple stitch braids that do it. So as y'all remember in my last video, I was finishing up my client. I had sat him under the dryer. So as y'all can see, he's done. Y'all want to check out how I accomplished this style, go check out my last video. The link is in the bio. So yeah, back to my client. We decided to do the 6 braids going down to the side. We thought that would work best. So since it was just 6 stitch braids, I just went ahead and sped the video through. Right now I'm gonna mousse his hair, spritz him up, sit him under the dryer. So yeah, I went ahead and sat him under the dryer, and I'm starting my 3rd client. As y'all can see, he wants almost similar to my last client. He gonna get 6 braids coming down to the back though, not to the side. So yeah, let's bust these down real quick. If y'all want to know how I accomplish my stitch braids, go check out my last video. I got a step-by-step video. Okay, so here's the finishing look for my 2nd client. As I told y'all before, we're really just trying to get his hair growing. So 6 pop smokies is gonna have to do.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up, and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up.
And here's the finishing look.
What numbers do I still have?
He decided to put him in a ponytail, so we got a little ponytail in the back.
Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around.
He just need him a cut to finish him off. And onto my last client. So we had just got done shampooing him. I'm blowing him out. We was trying to figure out what style worked best for his hair length at the moment. Because he needs to grow his hair out. So I told him, trust me, and let's get him together. So I had decided to just do some medium plaits. That way he could oil his hair and it'll last a long time. And it could grow. So yeah, that's what we doing.
Kisses, no 30 degrees, way too low, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Jury in the it safe on arrival. Pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title. A lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. Y'all don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing though, women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday,
so we finally done with his medium plaits. I'm going to put this mousse on his hair and then spritz it right after to give him some hold so that his hair will last a long time and he could thug it out and let it grow.
Kisses, no 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
So this is the finishing look, and baby, I ate. Okay, so thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to my channel. This is just the beginning. Y'all stay tuned for my next video.